Welcome to ETF Leaders, powered by the New York Stock Exchange. Joining me today is David Sharp. David is Senior ETF Capital Markets Specialist at Vanguard. David, great to see you. Thanks for joining me.
Likewise, good to see you, Judy.
Thank you. All right, so David, tell me, how can your investment philosophies / active management help investors navigate market volatility?
Yeah, this might not be the most exciting answer you get today, but it's what you probably expect from Vanguard, and that's really the importance of staying the course, really staying focused on your investment goals and not being distracted by short-term movements in the market. It's really important in this time more than ever, as we have stormy seas hitting the market, to really maintain that disciplined approach on your investment goals, to have a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, and really be thoughtful of having that diversification, keeping that diversification. We really think that if you stay focused on your investment goals, you maintain that disciplined approach, and you have a diversified portfolio, that you will have long-term benefits, even in these times of stressful markets.
Okay, so David, tell me, what are you hearing from institutions, advisors, retail right now?
Yeah, I think what we're seeing more than ever is really an approach towards tax loss harvesting, that there really hasn't been that same opportunity in the market over the last few years because the markets have been higher each year. And with the drawdowns in both bonds and stocks, what we're seeing is clients taking opportunities here to harvest some losses within their portfolio, to offset gains, and to add some tax alpha to that portfolio. We've seen this, more than anywhere else within the muni space, where you naturally have tax-sensitive clients within tax-exempt bonds, and we've seen a lot of people moving out of tax-exempt bond mutual funds and moving into our tax-exempt bond ETF, VTEB. So even though it's hit all-time lows in its share price as we have drawdown in that market with rising rates, we've still seen increased inflows into VTEB as a result of that tax loss harvest trade. So I think we'll continue to see that through the rest of the year as markets stay drawed down from the highs that we saw at the end of last year.
All right, and finally, do you have a favorite ETF in your lineup?
Yeah, it's tough. I'm proud of all 82 products within the Vanguard ETF lineup, but if I had to choose one, I would say VT. Our total world stock index is really, hits that diversification attribute that I mentioned earlier. It's really an impressive product when you think about there's more than 9,500 stocks. It's over 98% of the investable market capitalization of the globe in one product for only 7 basis points. We see the average bid-ask spread at only about a basis point, and premium discount volatility is very low. So for a total cost of ownership of only 8 basis points a year, you can own almost the entire world in one ETF. And we really think that diversification is so important, and that product really gives you a one-stop shop to have world equity diversification.
Okay. All right, David, great to talk with you. And that's ETF Leaders, powered by the New York Stock Exchange.